much do you charge?
It's difficult to answer in the abstract. I always, it's kind of similar to me going to the doctor with chest pains and saying, how much do you think this is going to cost? I mean, at that point in time, the doctor doesn't know if it's going to require, open heart surgery or maybe some antacids for some indigestion. Really not going to know what the cost is going to be until we have an opportunity to sit back and evaluate your situation. However, I understand that that's a real concern and a real issue that people want to understand. And that's why I try to structure my business and my practice to make it as easy as I can. And so I always offer a complimentary or a free initial consultation to where we can sit down and you can tell me a little bit about your situation. You have an opportunity to meet me and see if I'm somebody that you want to do work with, and I have an opportunity to learn about your situation and what you're dealing with and see if that's something that I want to take on, and that's kind of the cornerstone of my practice. And if it is, I will, at the end of that initial consultation, I will let you know my recommendation on what you should do, and I will let you know what the fee will be on that. I try to do everything on a flat fee so that you know exactly what you're stepping into, and it's not on an hourly basis. And at the end of that initial consultation, you'll have my recommendation, and you'll have the cost on what that's going to be to implement that recommendation, and then you're free to make a choice on whether or not you want to move forward.